he promised to Cosette's mother that he is there to protect her and her family also. But now somebody find his past, somebody inform Valjean's past. So again he was made in the prison, again he was given the prison. For some years again he passed in the jail. But now Valjean was a changed man, because that past history of his life creating problems for him. Because now after coming out from the jail, he truly changed his life. Now he was not a criminal. Now he was a changed man. So Hugo is going on the theme of crime and punishment. If the crime is done by man himself, punishment will be given to him. Who will give the punishment? God is giving the punishment. And the punishment itself is a part of the destiny. And the root of all destiny or the punishment is poverty. Poverty is the main theme or the main root of all crime and all punishment in everybody's life. Men making crimes because they are poor. Women making crime, or women have to sell their body. Women turn to prostitute because they are suffering from poverty, and because the parents are suffering, the children are also suffering. Because while playing or while taking education, they have to pass their childhood in child labor. So this is the story, a sort of plot, subplot, and many other plots of Victor Hugo's great classic novel, Les Miserables. Crime and punishment. Miserable people are miserable due to their destiny, due to poverty. So the poverty is the cause of crime. Men turn to crime due to poverty. So I think in a true sense, Victor Hugo can be called one of the greatest novelists of literature, because he was a realistic writer. He was giving the real picture of France and France people. I think, friends, it is very difficult to talk about this classic novel in just 1 hour, but I tried my level best to give you the glimpse of this novel, this great novel, Les Miserables by Victor Hugo. You should read this novel through net, or go through the story of this novel, because it is very interesting and very realistic. Such novels, such type of novels are our real social theme, because they have social aspect, and that is very important. No hi-fi picture of humanity is given. The true, the real, and the real picture of the street of France, the street of Paris, French culture, French people, French architecture is given in this novel. So, thank you friends for your kind listening. It is very interesting to go through this type of world's classic Les Miserables. Thank you.
Sandhan, All Gujarat Integrated Classroom.
સેટેલાઇટના માધ્યમથી જોડતી કડી એટલે સંધાન.